I'm turning simple ingredient into. Stay with me because something simple we make today might become your favorite tomorrow. Every great recipe starts with a small step. Today, you are one step closer to something amazing. Don't rush. Good things takes time, and this bread will be worth every second. Keep watching. Your next delicious success is just a few steps away. You don't need to be perfect, just willing to try. In this kitchen, we are not just cooking, we are creating something to be proud of. This is my milk, evaporated milk and sugar. I want to heat it. So I added my butter. This is milk powder, evaporated milk, sugar and a pinch of salt. So I'm mixing them together. The reason why I put it on fire was the milk was so cold. Yeah, that's why I put it on fire. This is 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. I'm mixing them together. So evaporated milk, milk powder, butter, dry yeast, sugar and a pinch of salt. I'm adding my vanilla powder. My 2 cups of flour. So I'm mixing my flour with my mixture. I've added another milk powder. Yeah, so let's mix them. This is my butter, so that you need this small by small. Keep going. Every push makes this dough softer and better. This is where patience turns into something delicious. Don't rush it. Good bread comes to those who stay consistent. Just like life, the more effort you put in, the better the result. Feel the dough, it's getting smoother because you didn't give up. We are still kneading the bread dough with love. We are not just kneading dough, we are building soft, fluffy happiness. If your hands are working, your bread is winning. Every stretch, every fold, this is how something simple becomes something amazing. You can see the bread. So now my bread is proof. You can see. Look at this beauty, soft, smooth, and ready to become something amazing. Take your time shaping. I'm taking my time to shape. This is where the bread gets its personality. Gentle hands, big result. Treat your dough with love. You see, me when I'm treating my dough, the way I treat it with love, I can knead it almost 2 hours, 3 hours. Because I treat my dough with love. If this bread comes out perfect, I might open my own bakery tomorrow. Of course, with an worker doings. Thank you for watching. This is where the magic happens. Every layer of cheese adds more love. So the more cheese, the more happiness. We are turning simple dough into something unforgettable. So this is the cheese I'm spreading now. You can see. If you're not comfortable, you can use knife or palette knife to spread it. Yeah, but me, I'm using my hand for the meantime. Yeah. Cheese makes everything better, and today is not exceptional. Yeah. The way you spread the cheese, the love you put into every layer, that makes the bread unforgettable and taste amazing. Hey, so we are rolling it. Whilst we are rolling the bread, let me sing some lyrics for you. Guide me, oh, thou great Redeemer, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but thou art mighty. Hold me with thy powerful hand. Bread of heaven, bread of heaven, feed me now and evermore. Bread of heaven, bread of heaven. When peace like a river attended my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my lot thou hast taught me to say, it is well, it is well with my soul, it is well, it is well with my soul, with my soul, it is well, it is well with my soul. Thank you for watching. Oh, God bless you. The name is Bidayana Waka Doings. Into the oven it goes. Now we let the heat do its magic. We have done the hard work. Now it's time to relax and trust the process. Oven, please don't disappoint me. Behave yourself, Oga. Good things takes time. This wait will be worth it. Looks so soft. You can see the bread is so soft. This is so the hardest part. Waiting without opening the oven every 2 months. Hey, wow, look at the golden beauty. From simple ingredient to something. This is amazing. Never underestimate small beginning. Soft, fluffy, and perfectly baked. This is what patience looks like. If you can smell this through the screen, you deserve a slice. Remember, great things takes time, effort, and a little patience. Not many people say this, but this moment right here is everything. From mixing to kneading, from waiting to baking. Look at what we created. Golden, soft, and full of goodness. This is what happens when you stay patient and don't give up. Be proud of yourself, because this is your effort, your time, and your beautiful result. I love you and thank you so much for watching my doings. If you are still watching, please keep watching. From simple ingredients, patience, and effort, look at what we created. Oh, golden on the outside, soft and full of goodness on the inside. This is a reminder that when you stay consistent and trust the process, something beautiful always comes out at the end. Just be proud of every step, because this is more than bread. This is your hard work showing. If you can smell this through the screen, you deserve a slice. Don't go. End the full video so that I can give you your share of this fluffy cheese butter bread. Yeah, this is the moment it all pays off. From simple ingredient to something warm, soft, and truly satisfying. Every step mattered. Every little effort show up right here. If you have been watching till now, remember, great things come from patience and consistency. Keep going, keep creating, and never underestimate what you can make with your own hands. I love you and God bless you. The name is Bidayana Walker Doings Recipe. Bread is more than just food. It comforts in every bite. It fills the hunger, but also warms the heart. Simple ingredient, yet it carries strength, energy, and life. In every slice, there is patience. In every bite, there is joy. It brings people together, morning or night, reminding us that the simplest things can be the most powerful. So when you eat bread, don't just taste it, feel it, because this bread is more than something to eat. It's a story you can hold. It started with the simplest thing, yet became something warm, soft, and full of meaning. Every step carried your effort, every moment held your patience. When you take a bite, you are tasting more than food. You are tasting time, care, and quiet dedication. It's a gentle reminder that even the smallest beginnings can grow into something truly special. This bread doesn't just satisfy anger, it brings comfort, it brings peace, it brings a little joy to the heart. Thank you so much. The name is Bidina Walker Doings. God bless you. Like and subscribe for me. I love